I have been at the University for History and Physical Education in Aalborg, in northern Jutland, and and then I have teach in 5 different schools, but no IB experience whatsoever. So that is brand new for me. A lot of structure, a lot of you know where you're going, the end goal. So again, it's brand new for me. I have a colleague who's very experienced who will help me, but I wanted to go here to have some more detailed outlines, and especially the marking system where we have to evaluate the different exams and the tests. So that is helping me a lot. I like the settings, I like the weather, and we have a very good teacher. And I like the fact that we are only 4, and it's a very luxurious. So we have a lot of time to discuss and ask and be interactive with our teacher. So it gives us a lot of opportunities to just ask everything. Our teacher is very creative and about different color notes and creative assignments, and so I think I'll try to adjust that to the system at home. And especially the way the IB system is, it's kind of rigid and kind of you have to use certain phrases and so on. So maybe that's important too, but maybe also have a little bit creativity and a little bit variation in the normal day. She is also very structured, our teacher, and I think you have to be that when teaching in the IB, because it's the same system you're using in the test. So every test looks approximately the same. So I think I will build my normal courses and lessons to fit the exam and the test in the end. So that's something that's quite new for me. But I think it will be good, especially in the beginning, to also be very structured so make sure to teach all they have to know very much. She's very knowledgeable and has a lot of experience, and it's good to make a lot of examples. So every time we're talking about something, making examples, showing us examples, and talking about it. Because I have no reference, I have no perspective, because I'm quite new in IB. So seeing a lot of different examples helped me a lot. I'm planning to go home and talk with my colleagues about it. We are 3 history colleagues at home. It's a new curriculum, so I have to take these experience home, and we have to plan for next year how we can adjust what we have at home now and have used the past 7 years. So we have to make some changes, I think, and hopefully I can add to that.